Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? But here we have bases here. We have 129 base 10, and here is x base y. This is not a product, so this is a single number here. X is x, and this is also x, and here is base of y. So this is a number basis, and which we are going to solve it right now. Suppose we consider the solution from here. If you have a kind of expression like this, suppose I have 1 in base 2. So this shows that we are going to be multiplying 1 by 2. Then we bracket it. Then this 1 raised to power 1 plus also we have 1 multiplied by 2, and this 1 raised to power of 0. So this is a kind of number basis. That is, if you apply it to this given question, we have 129 in base 10. This shows that we are going to have 1 multiplied by 10, then plus 2 multiplied by 10, plus the last one, which is 9 multiplied by 10. Then we have 3 numbers here, and we start this power of base with 0, 1, and here is 2. Then after having this, we have 1 times 10 raised to power 2, that is 100, plus 10 raised to power 1, that is 10, multiplied by 2. We have it as 20, plus 10 raised to power 0 equals 1. Then 9 times 1, that is 9. This implies that if we add this together, we are getting 129. That is 129 base 10. It also gives us 129. And also, if we apply it for x in base y, remember we are multiplying x by y. Then since it is 3 numbers here, the first one takes 2, plus x multiplied by y raised to power 1, plus x multiplied by y raised to power of 0. Then this equals xy squared plus xy plus x. Y raised to power 0 equals 1. Then when we equate this together, we are going to have 129 equals xy squared plus xy plus x. Let's try and obtain the value of x and the value of y. At this right hand side, we have x that is common. Suppose we factor out x. Taking out x from here, we have this remains y squared plus y plus 1. And then we proceed by looking at this 129 rather, and here is x bracket y squared plus y plus 1. In this bracket, we have a quadratic equations, and the number here is odd number, as well as this x is also odd number. Let's look for how we can multiply this together. Let's say we multiply 3 by 43. If we say 3 multiplied by 43, so this gives us 129. Then everything equals xy squared plus y plus 1. And let's try and compare this. Suppose I let x equals 3, because x here is always less than x y squared plus y plus 1. So we are going for the smallest number here, which is 3. And also we're going to equate y squared plus y plus 1 equals 43. And by transferring 43 to this side, we are going to have y squared plus y plus 1 minus 43 equals 0. Then let's subtract 1 and 43. We are given y squared plus y minus 42 equals 0. And it looks like we got a quadratic equation. We later arrive at a quadratic equations, and we can now try and solve this to obtain the roots. Then we try and factorize this one out. Here we have y squared plus y minus 42 equals 0. So here is the sum and here is the product. We look for two numbers that the sum will be 1 and that the product will be 42. Suppose I have y squared plus 7y minus 6y. 7 minus 6, that is 1. And 7 times minus 6, that gives us minus 42 equals 0. And we try and group this together. By grouping, we have y squared plus 7y and also minus open bracket 6y plus 42 equals 0. So the common element here with the common factor is y bracket y plus 7 minus what will go in both is 6. Taking out 6, we have y plus 7 equals 0. Then we have this as y plus 7 is common to this. We take one of it and combine the coefficient. Coefficient here becomes y plus 7, then multiply by y minus 6 equals 0. Then, given these two expressions, we are going to see that in a quadratic rule, we have y plus 7 equals 0, or we have y minus 6 equals 0. So this shows that our y here equals minus 7, or we have y equals 6. We have gotten two solutions to this, y equals minus 7 and y equals 6. And we should note that in a number system like this, the value of y here is not equals negative. Therefore, we are going to reject this value and we go with y equals 6. If y equals 6, we are going to have x equals 3. Therefore, x comma y is given as 3 comma 6. So this is the satisfied values of x and y in the given number system questions. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you find it interesting, please do to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.